today's kids won't remember. Am I right, boys? Oh my God. What's up, my dudes? Hey, got a pretty cool video here. So basically got the T on deck as always. You know what's up. Got a sick helmet that I ordered. Basically gonna be looking fly as a motherfucking eagle. You know what I'm saying, boys? Hit them high notes, baby. Let's see if we can cut this off. Yeah, let's see about doing that here. Hang on, let me set the camera down real quick, boys. Little unboxing video, huh? What the hell? Spencer, what are you doing? Turning into all them other YouTubers? Alright. This one's special here, guys. This is a cool one. If I can get into it, that's working real well. Nice. Alright, do a little slice right here. A little slice. A little slice right here. Okay. Do a little skirt. Alright, let's come over here. Slice it down the middle, cut my finger off. It's all good, don't worry. Okay. Alright, obviously I don't have a, you know, set up for the camera and all that crap like I would like to have, but we're going to do this kind of like this. Little backyard, little sip on the tea, boy. Little backyard beginner video action here. Okay, this probably got some info on it. We'll kind of wipe this over here like this. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got, dude. Oh baby. Okay guys, so let me just explain before I even get into this. This is the first time I've ever seen a helmet in a store, and literally the first thought in my head was, I have to have that. Like, I need that, dog. I'm getting that. And it was actually too small of a size in the store that I went in, but I was like, I'm going to look this up, see if I can order this in the right size. So I found it online. We got it. This is literally probably one of the coolest helmets you could get as just a standard, you know, civilian. Like, this is probably about as legit as it gets, because it's basically an exact replica of a let me just pull it out, guys. Let me pull it out. Hang on just a second. Set this here camera down. We'll get it down like this right here. I know that lighting's probably weird. Maybe if I get it, let me kind of shimmy my way back over here. All right, let's see if I can put this like this, right? Don't ever knock over the T, boys. Don't ever do it. Might be able to get a little better lighting like this. Oh yeah, dog. There we go. Okay, a little money shot at you, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to iDubbbz. All right, let's get this shit. Get the box. Let's get the damn box out. Okay. There you go. This is literally the first unboxing video I've ever done in my life, I think. So, you know what I'm saying? Bear with my happy ass. All right, here we go, dudes. Whew. Let's see what we got. Oh, God. Yes. Yes in every way. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, I love your way. Okay, let's get the helmet out. Be nice and careful with it. Okay. Get it like this. Yep. Alright, there we go. Nice little helmet, little, whatever you want to call it, little carrying sack, little satchel, little helmet satchel. It's got a little bit of foam protection in there, so should be good for a minute, but let's see. Let's back this up. I feel like I'm a little close to the camera. I got too many freaking boxes. Let's put this puppy on the ground. This one in the background. Alright guys, here we go. There's the moment of truth there, boys. Let's see what we got. Okay. Bill, you outdid yourself on this one, let me tell you. Alright, let's rip this off. Get this off. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go, moment of truth, baby. Let me not drop it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, gotta come from the back. Actually, I need to rip this off. I think would be the better way. Let's rip her a little bit. Ooh, boys. Oh, shit. Look at this. Oh, dogs. Have a look-ski at that. Wow. Yes. Yes, in every way. Got a little schmutz right here. I don't know if that's meant to be. Yeah, that's in the... What the... That's in the freaking design. That is... Wow. So either way, guys, this is it. This is the full-blown Pro Circuit Replica Bell Monster Energy, obviously, helmet right here. Dude, this is just... That looks so insane. Like, so what was so cool about this is it has that, like, Villapoto Vegas sort of sparkle right here on the purple. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can really see that on YouTube very good, but it's got that cool, I don't even know how to explain it, like, kind of sparkly, but not sparkly in a, like, stupid way, you know what I mean? It's like, it looks legit. It looks like a freaking, it looks like what Adam Cincerilla would literally have on in Vegas. Like, and I'm not even over-exaggerating that at all. But, dudes, this is it right here. Check that out, though, man. That is cool. So, yeah, this is going to go really well with my... I'm going to make another separate video on the gear I had ordered. Get a little bit of lighting on the sparkle there, you know what I'm saying? A little sparkle, sparkle. Obviously, got the Monster Energy logo on the back. Once we get all those tags ripped out, we will be able to look at it a little better. Give me just a second, I'll do that. So, yeah, I got the tag off of it there. So you can see, just standard Bell helmet, but looks sick, dog. So, what I liked about this more than, like, some of those other standard Monster Energy helmets that you can get, typically they have too much green on them. Like, it'll be like this kind of green right here, like the, I'll turn it around. It'll be like this kind of green in the back, but it'll be so much of it all over it, and I feel like it's just too much green on the helmet, right? But this one that I seen in the store, I was like, dog, this is the perfect amount of, like, green Monster logo, right? And then obviously, you know, purple. Wow, that's kind of cool. Even on the Monster logo itself, it's like kind of like a little bit of raised up. That is something, dude. That is sick, though. So, even, like, basically what was cool about this helmet, especially when you look at it with kind of this sort of profile right here, got all the purple perf skirt, you know what I'm saying, a little sparkle on the side. And it looks legit because it's like it's got that kind of not just like green Monster helmet, but it's got the purple and the green and the Monster logos and all that. So that's why I thought it looked pretty cool. But basically, the gear that I ordered me some custom gear from Canvas, some custom Galaxy gear, and it's kind of got this sort of, you know, little like purple nebula. It's got a little bit of blue on it. That's gonna be really cool when I make the video on that. But this helmet's gonna match that perfectly because it's got the same coloration. It's got a lot of black on it, right? Obviously Star, Galaxy. Then it's got the purple nebula pattern on the gear. This custom Canvas, one-of-a-kind gear I've got ordered. It's on the way. It's shipped. And so the coloration, this being more of a black, not super green, is going to match that perfectly. And it's got the purple, you know, the perp skirt damn near looks like Galaxy Purple Nebula on the helmet itself, right? It's going to match that gear so well. So yeah, just want to come here, guys. A little quick video on the Bell helmet here. A little nice little flying through there. But yeah, hopefully I never wreck and pop off the visor on this puppy, because that's going to be pretty much irreplaceable. You're just going to have to put a black visor on it if you ever wreck, you know. But yeah, and obviously I'm going to have to be, if I ever wreck and scratch something up, it's going to not be as good looking. I've always had just like completely solid black helmets my entire racing career, so anytime I wreck or hit my head or whatever, it's like, oh, I just messed up that black helmet. But with this one, it's like, dude, it's going to be irreplaceable, right? You're literally not going to be able to replace that. So it's pretty insane when you think about it. But either way, this helmet was only like $200, guys. Not super expensive. Definitely in the ballpark of, you know, affordable and all that. But I just can't get over the pattern on the side. Like, that's what makes this helmet stand out. It even goes back on the green in the back. It's just got that sparkle pattern, like that Vegas sparkle, you know what I'm saying? Like, you've seen Villapoto and a lot of them, you know, Pro Circuit, Monster Energy, Kawasaki guys wearing that kind of stuff in Vegas specifically. It's got a lot of that sparkle. Their numbers will be like silver, you know what I mean, and all that, and gold patterns and stuff. That's what this reminds me of. It's just, and even on the front little mouth guard right there, it's got the sparkle. Got sparkle through here. So yeah, it's gonna totally match my my custom canvas Galaxy gear that I got coming in. It's all gonna look legit. So yeah, guys, we're gonna have the real life videos coming. Promise. Gonna be getting to that. I mean, it's like, dude, I got the freaking weather. You ought to see the weather where I'm living. It's literally rain on every single day that I can see in the forecast. And when the closest track to you is 2+ hours away, you can't really risk going there on a day that you might think it's going to rain. Like, you can't really get on the track when it's like that. And then so you really got to have like a stretch of 2 or 3 days of dry before you can even think about going to the track. So I'm going to try to get to the track as much as I can, guys. It's just not easy. It's going to be a lot easier for somebody that's got a track in their backyard or something like that, but I don't have the privilege, so you have to bear with me on those videos, guys. I'm doing everything I can. We're going to get back out there, just trying to get back into it, get back riding. So they don't want to patch it up. They want to mash it up. Whoa. I was running through the 6 with my whoa. This is it, dog. We got it right here. That's the helm. It's gonna look sick when I get the goggles on. Gonna give me some cool goggles. Try to get some obviously tinted goggles. Gonna have some like cool, either like maybe orange tint or just all black shaded goggles on it. Be pretty cool. Have some 100%ies on it and get it rocking. But yeah, once we get the full setup, the gear going, it'll look sick. Check out this fucking helmet though, dog. Is that not badass? Like, I feel like this is one of those helmets that I feel like you would only get if you were on pro circuit. You know what I mean? Like, this is one of those helmets I don't feel like you can just get this kind of helmet every day online or like at a random store. I feel like I'm getting Adam Cincerillo's helmet or something. Like, it's just been given to me, you know? Not, that's crazy that you can just buy something like this. It's insane, dog.